There's going to be no but wind noise on this.
I know that's the thing.
It's so painful that for him.
I know, well I was just thinking that. I bet he's just wanting to. I would love to get my little shoulder on it again. I'm sure.
They've got to go slow
I know.
to get all the cars
they're
on.
following their thing car, aren't they?
Yeah. Sporty. Mini Euro system like that. With the red roof. Elbow
They're all cheap.
sort of racing sort of style, isn't it?
Yeah. Everyone's different.
Black Gossa and Jen.
I think it's the Marcus, isn't it?
Definitely one of the two. I was on the same boat with the top down.
Oh,
Like,
yeah.
I never saw more than one here, so it must be.
It is.
That's an early looking track. That's an early track. Oh, it's 3 letters, 3 numbers, so I don't know what it is. It's an early one. Sounds a bit phenomenal. See, the advantage of this is you can get as many people on as in your car as you want. You can have 3 people.
I shouldn't have sladded in that fast car if I could have went in between.
Well, the red one, didn't have a spare seat.
What?
We didn't have a spare seat.
Oh, did you
No,
know?
I was just in the seat.
Could get in the back of that one.
That's the sprint.
She looks there, look at that. There's a rose.
Oh, there's Rose.
That's cute, that. That's proper.
It's good condition, isn't it?
Yeah, she really loves that car, look.
The landing still goes all the way back down the car park, as far as you can see. Yeah, we're going to have it. We'll do it, I think. We really can't discern it. Let's see the registration of that one, like a recent.
Oh, yeah.
We'll carry how many cars there is. I'm going to need a bigger back. We don't think we're going to get them all one. That'll be the first. That was the first time that's ever happened. No, it's not. That's Monday. We've got more cars. That's less than it.
I'm going to wait until they come off here and then I'll... Oh yeah, the green one.
There's the 4x4.
Oh yeah.
It's not a big couple of road car.
See up these.
Oh, they're the ones by us. Go down, guys.
That's the Gemini.
No, that's the Oval.
What is it? Oh yeah, that's got the prize, isn't it?
That sounds stunning.
Oh. there's
there.
another. We're all like
That's it.
coughing, it's like, what was them?
That is it.
That's an
Interlopers.
Oh, we've managed it.
Mind you, you've had all sorts on the
managed it
track at
easily,
dinner time.
Yeah. I noticed they're at the back.
Could have gone with the van, the transit van.
Might as well have.
It's almost as big as the BMWs.
Yeah, well, it is. You're right. She's up that I would got round the track.
Timed it for the rain.
I know.
Yeah.
Come on.
We're not talking about the rain.
Oh, they're coming round now. They're going to be coming round.
How many laps they're doing?
2. These guys are in. Charge, can you get rid of that? Just take it over there. Take it over there, G.
Oh, there's always one that's too late. I say, do try to keep up the honest. So I wish I had a windscreen wiper now.
Brain freeze.
What fucking car is this?
It is, isn't it? It's like, no way.
He's had enough. He's getting proper competition car, like I said.
Yeah. Is that the last log? Supposed to be, what was that? Oh, look at the more.
We're getting that decision, yeah.
Oh, there's the other one as well. Look.
big
White
part
one.
of doing it.
Top of the flash. What's that? Like my favourite car. I would like that. I don't think. Right, yeah. And I love that, got a picture of that, the little tiny track, that's a good one. It's a nice little picture. Yeah. Green road. Yeah. Oh, that's when I used to ride into the rocket.
I remember it very well. Back to it.
I got Sheldon off here and swapped in my car and cab. Because somebody bought the engine off in summer. It was a really good car actually. I should have got a shell for it, for the rocket.
Tell you what, I think I need to put 6 on something.
Maybe, yeah. Hopefully it should dry up a little bit. Hopefully. Is it? Yeah. Oh, they just keep telling me. Oh, no, it's not. Oh. Yeah, I think it is. It's up there. Over here at the end. Oh, it's going to stand right. Oh, it's the German one, isn't it? Yeah.
Got this thing out of it.